here's one for you. Paper cup, a shoelace. Both of them are examinable. You take the cup and you drop the ends of the shoelace inside just like that. What you're going to do is you're going to take the air around it and push inside. That causes the air to get very heavy and compacted. And what happens is when you grab a hold, you can actually hold the cup in midair. Then what you're going to do is just blow like that. There you have it.
Feel it in the earth. I smell it in the air. Much that was once is lost.
Card, fold it in half, fold it in half, once more, open it back up. This time we'll take it on these creases, tear it, tear it, so it's here, under this. See, it comes. Now there's something I like to do at this point, which I don't recommend you do it. I'm not telling you to do it. If you do it, you're on your own. Don't blame me. I don't have any money anyway. But I have these pile of matches here. I light them and I eat them. But I save the shimmed match.